Hello guys, how are you? Okay, all profit hunters, because I always care my members and my all downliners. So I want to tell you something, and which you have to confirm in your Tradebrize account. So what you have to do and verify, please urgently verify your address. So you have to make sure your address is correctly. Attention members, we are noticed that some withdrawals issues due to incorrect wallet address. Your fund safety is our priority. Please review and confirm that your linked wallet address matches your Binance wallet address before making any withdrawals. If your wallet address is incorrect, you can contact Tradebrize customer support immediately for assistance. To verify your linked wallet and address or linked wallet address, tap on the profile icon on the left. Then I'm going to show you step by step, but this one I can read for you. Tap on the profile icon on the left, select the profile details and verify the USDT TRC20 address. Ensure your wallet address is important for you to smooth withdrawal. Stay tuned for. Let's also dive in the Tradebrize account, so I can show you step by step. Okay. Go in. Please subscribe to this channel, so anytime I posted a video of all platform and all update, you can take a look on this. We exactly, okay, I think this offer, I already told you about this. This offer will start on Monday, October 16th, and today is 16th, so the offer started from today. So anybody with this can take this offer as an offer. This offer will start on Monday. Time and condition apply. User must take a deposit and receive 8% bonus up to 10 USDT. User required to trade for a minimum for 5 days and be eligible to withdraw the bonus amount. The sponsor will receive 2% bonus up to 10 USDT for every deposit you made and referral. So let's dive in. So what you have to do is, as I told you, so as you can confirm you have to click here. Let's dive in. I want to show you just these all things. Then after that, then you have to come to this place here. Okay. I mean this place. Profile detail. When you enter into profile detail like this one, I just want to show there's nothing to hide here. There's nothing to hide. So you have to confirm this email. Okay. If you already confirmed this email, I can show you nothing to hide. So I think you can see everything here. You confirm this your address. If this address is accurate with you, do you understand? Okay. So make sure your address is okay. Okay. After that, you can ensure your withdrawal as also safety. So if you want a Telegram channel for all updates, is this one link. This is the link. If you click that link, it will direct you to the group okay, Telegram channel of that. And this is the support add link. So as if you want any support from Tradebrize, you can go there and get the everything. So make sure your wallet address is correctly listed there, so you can do a smooth withdrawal. Do you understand? I think you have already understand about this. So make sure you do something like that one. I already withdraw my funds, so I can just go on with the trading like every day. So make sure you can put this on. You can put your AI on like this one. So from Monday to Friday, there's no problem. When you put it on like this one from Monday to Friday, no problem. So when it reaches on Friday, if you can withdraw your fund, it is just up to you. Okay, it's up to you. It is up to you. It is up to you. Or again, we're going to see inside here, and people are just also coming in. There's so many people withdraw their fund, but now also they are still depositing I can show you nothing to hide here. Nothing to hide, nothing to hide. As you can see, there is some members inside, and also there is some people also already deposited 639 USDT and still trading. So it is just up to you. It is just up to you. It is just up to you, my friend. You're so welcome. Please subscribe, like, and comment for anything. And also, I've already put it there, a link if you want to join the WhatsApp groups. Okay, and the link for joining this invitation link. So if you click the link, it will direct you to how to. It will direct you for registration, and there is so many videos there already created for you on how to create an account and whatever and everything. But if you have any question, you can ask, and if you have any question more, you can go directly to customer service. They can give you some more details on what you want or what you are asking of. So just try to do your all best, and I wish you safe trading, and goodbye.